I grew up playing sports, I grew up playing soccer, and I experienced my fair share of injuries. So I can understand and empathize with their concerns, with their fears. I was also inspired by the physicians and other PAs that took care of my family in critical times. Well, I was born and raised in Colombia. I came to the States when I was about 13 years old and finished my high school education in Florida. Then after that, I went to my undergrad in USF. It was always kind of like resonating with me, just kind of like thinking back to where I grew up and how the lack of accessibility to healthcare that we experience over there, it's something that made me want to push my limit and just kind of like go into medicine where I can make a difference. Here in Ortho Central, where I'll be a provider that not only I can put my knowledge to the test, but I can also use my native language to be able to help patients. I want my patients to feel heard and seen. I want them to know that they have now a provider that has their best interest at heart. And ultimately, I try to treat my patients how I would like a family member to be treated. Mi nombre es Giraldo y estoy aquí en Ortho Central para ayudarle con sus necesidades ortopédicas.